Hi guys, how are you doing? In this video, I will make a comparison of videos taken by using smartphone gimbal and by not using any gimbal, just only smartphone. The smartphone that I will be using is iPhone X smartphone. How I will do this test? First of all, I will walk normally in this road, and secondly, I will walk faster in this road, and of course at the same time I will be taking videos. And finally, I will run in this road by taking videos at the same time. And in the second stage, I will connect my smartphone to our AFI V3 gimbal, and I will walk normally, and secondly I will walk faster, and finally I will run in this road with the gimbal in my hand with smartphone. And at the end, we will compare the videos side by side together to see how our AFI V3 gimbal will prevent the shakiness in our videos. The video mode that I will be using is 4K 60 FPS, because as you know, in 4K 60 FPS video mode, iPhone X has no video stabilization available. So we will clearly see how AFI V3 gimbal will prevent the shakiness in the videos. Let's start and let's do it. Now I am using iPhone X smartphone with no gimbal first. Now I am walking faster. Now I am running in this road. Now as you see, I have connected my smartphone iPhone X to our AFI V3 gimbal, and I will do the same action again in this road. Let's do it. Now I am walking faster. Fast walk. Now I am running, with iPhone X connected to our AFI V3 gimbal. Running again, running, yes. And now let's compare the videos side by side. As you see, the difference is very obvious and very clear, right? If you want to buy this AFI V3 Smartphone Gimbal, the link to purchase the product is in the description section down below. I hope you find our video useful and helpful. If you like our video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and also please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please note that we will be preparing many videos like that soon. So if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will be the first one to be notified from these videos. Until we see you in our next video, please take good care of yourself. Bye bye!